Good morning, this Friday the 11th of November. I'm Sophia Mavridis, a market analyst with Bell Direct. Well, US equities surged to session highs in the final hour of trading overnight after October's reading of consumer prices raised investor hopes that inflation has peaked. US CPI rose just 0.4% for the month and 7.7% from a year ago, its lowest annual increase since January. And core CPI, where volatile food and energy costs are excluded, increased 6.3% on an annual basis, which was also less than expected. Now, the Dow Jones jumped more than 1,100 points, or 3.4%. This was the Dow's largest one-day increase since stocks came out of the pandemic bear market in 2020. The S&P 500 closed 5.2% higher, which was its biggest one-day rally since April 2020, and the Nasdaq gained 6.7%. So a really positive session overnight as investors took the data as a sign that the worst of high inflation may finally be behind us. The Australian market is set to finish the week nicely, with the SPI futures suggesting the market will rise 2.31% at the open this morning. Now, looking at commodities, oil is slightly higher and starting to regain the week's losses after losing more than 7% in the past 3 sessions. So watch energy producers today. Now, gold has jumped almost 3% higher after the inflation reading pushed the US dollar higher, and iron ore is trading 0.6% higher at $91.50 per ton. And Accent Group, that's AX1, is set to hold its AGM today. Now, looking at some trading ideas, Bell Potter maintain a buy rating on Pendal PDL. They say the short-term driver of Pendal's share price is almost certainly whether PDL will be acquired by Perpetual PPT. And this is currently in balance. Now, PPT management have rejected the approaches so far from Regal Partners, that's RPL. However, PPT's share price is just under $33, which implies the market expects a higher offer from another company perhaps, with a good chance of success. Bell Potter say that financial logic will point to $33 per share in cash offered by the consortium for PPT. However, this offer looks opportunistic and driven by sell-off in PPT's share price down to $23 in October. So when comparing PPT's historic enterprise value over EBITDA ratio, the $33 offered is not a massive premium in Bell Potter's opinion. They've reduced their price target from $5.90 to $4.90, and at its current share price of $3.91, this implies 25.3% share price growth in a year. Lastly, Trading Central have identified a bearish signal in JB Hi-Fi, JBH, indicating that the stock price may fall from the close of 42.12 to the range of 35.25 to 36.75 over 28 days, according to the standard principles of technical analysis. Now, that's all for this morning. I'm Sophia Mavridis with Bell Direct. Have a great day and happy trading.